Like I was saying, this is a custom pour-in-place beam. They couldn't put a lintel because of the supporting loads that are going to be supporting the upper floors. It's 2 floors and a lot of weight, a lot of stuff going on. And this is the coast on this side, so a lot of the wind comes in. And you can see I have another big opening here for the garage, and this guy is wider than the garage. It's 15 feet. I think that's a 15-foot opening. Got to double check that. However, there's only like one corner of the wall right here that's supporting. Let me get up here and let me show you this. Hopefully I don't bust my ass while I do this. I'm not on my big ladder, but if I bust my ass and do this, then at least I got it on camera. Oh. Alrighty. Let's make sure we don't bust our asses here. Oh, don't hold on to that. That's not steady. Alrighty, so by the grace of God, everything will be fine. Oh, almost dropped my sunglasses. Alright, this is the beam. It's tied in over here. And see where we got down in there, all that steel going in. And we got steel tied in over here. And we are tied in right over there. Down there to the other one that goes down vertically. This goes down to the floor, into the concrete. All this steel is getting tied in here with this guy going there. And you can see there's a lot of steel coming out of here because, like I said, this is going to be a main supporting wall in the corner here. And we only have like literally this small little section here that supports the upper loads, the other 2 floors. It's going to be a monster. And then there's big bifold sliding doors on the upper floors. So this guy's going to be supporting a lot of the weight. Anyway, I think we should be ready for lentil inspection. Not sure. But let's just take a look at this guy. We got steel coming out here. We got steel coming out here. They have to be a certain amount out from the wall to tie in. So you see how this steel ends right here? They have to be a certain amount out to tie in. Same thing for this guy right here. This is a certain distance you have to come out as well. All of these need to space properly according to spec, and all of this needs to be tied in to the actual other parts right here that are running along parallel, as you can see, all the way through parallel down the line. So all this beam, all this steel gets tied in over here and gets tied down to the floor down there, and this whole thing gets formed up with another piece of board right like this, but on the other side here. And that, once they form it up, then they fill this up with concrete and let it cure, support it, just like what they did over there with the garage, supporting post. And from there, we can start building up. They run the rest of the blocks up for the second level. Oh, and once they pour all of this with concrete, all this is going to get filled up with concrete. 3 blocks of concrete that's filled up. Actually, and for this guy here, it's actually all the way down, straight down, that this guy's going to get filled up. Right here and over here too as well. So this guy actually is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks of ring beam tied in, and then but going around the entire home, it's actually 3 blocks that the steel runs parallel all the way around the entire home. That's how that works. And this is just specific. The extra 2 blocks are specific for this main custom poured in beam in place here. I hope that really explains this whole thing and you really understand this process. There's a lot that's involved into doing this. I have a great team of guys that do this. These guys know what they're doing. They've done this for 30 plus years, and there's multiple crews that all work together and they know each other's work, which is very, very important. Because if the foundation's not right and it's off, then the walls are off. And if the walls are off, as you go up being off, it exponentially goes off more and more and more. So it's good to have a good crew of guys that know each other's work. They will all work together It's one contractor that has multiple teams. And on that note, I can see the ocean from here. I don't know if you can see it. And I am only on the first, well, technically I am standing in between the first and second floor. But when I get on the second floor, which will be literally right here, like right here, I will be able to see the ocean. So cool. Anyway, let me get down and hopefully I don't bust my ass. Actually, I think I'll record this. Okay, Rajesh, please don't bust your ass. Oh man, and I don't have my big ladder, man. It's crazy. Oh my god, I hope I don't bust my ass. Oh shit. Okay, we got it. Just nice and easy, brother. Oh shit, the ladder almost fell. Holy crap, that was close. Whew. Okay, I made it. All right, everything's safe. You know I got down okay. And I hope you enjoyed this awesome explanation of this custom beam. The engineers calculate what you need and they put it in the spec. This is not all by chance or just guesswork. The engineers have calculated all the loads and the upper floors and the total loads and how much this guy has to support. And that's why this is like that. Anyway, that's it. Over and out.